Hello and welcome everybody. GTII stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step on this video. So let's go for the 0 and 1 price prediction here. And it seems that we can go for this part and this part. So according to what we want, let's see for example the price on GTII. If we want to see that exactly, okay, we want to see that increase in momentum here and decrease movement. So that means the absolute movement in this would be on the firm on the M shape. Since we see the price that goes to be upside here is going to be rebounded downside, it can be called a resistance rebounding. If we saw the support happiness with the same manner that happiness on this resistance, this can be called a support rebounding this wave. That's what we wanted for the GTII to be actually explained according to its price prediction and technical analysis that can be or could be shown on this video.